Yo, how's it going, everybody? Today, shut up. Today, I'm gonna be showing you a little trick on how to light up the interior car for around $10. We're gonna be putting in some LED strips. I guess for the footwell lighting. It shouldn't be too hard. Should be pretty easy. Yeah, these are cheap. Like I said, under $10 or around $10. So we'll be testing those out, see how bright they are, and for science. Shouldn't be too hard. I think these are with the USB connection. So all you need is find it. All you need is one of these that has a two connection, because I bought two of these. Yeah, I bought two of them, so I mean, hopefully that should be enough, really. And then all you really have to do is, once you connect that, you connect it to there. Oh, can you see? You can't really see it. Connect it to there. Cool thing about these, it comes with the remote. And my friend actually has the same one. So he said, like, once you connect both, the remote should work for both of them. So you only need one. You wouldn't need two remotes. So I guess first things first, you have to test them out, see if they work before we actually put them in the bottom. And yep. All right. So moment of truth. As you can see, we just, like I said, plugged it in both. And I'm sorry. All right. So we plugged them in both with the USB, and I mean, he said the controller should work for both. So moment of truth, here we go, about to turn them on. Let's find out. Ready? Okay. Alright, let me switch them to one. Hey, so yep, blue, green, red, orange.
What's yellow?
This is yellow. Hey, it should be lit.
That's green, bro.
This? It's yellow.
That bottom one?
Yeah. This one's green.
Click the bottom one?
This one? Okay.
What's gonna click?
It's like a
click
yellow.
the other green?
Alright, so now that we figured out that these lights work, we're just gonna do our best to like try to hide them under. And these lights, they come with like a sticky tape 3M. So pretty much it's just gonna line it up where you want it perfectly, and just kind of unstick it, or stick it where you want it, really. I mean,
childish, bro.
stick it where you want it, dude. And I mean, it's a pretty simple install. No big deal. Shouldn't take that long, like I said. I have to figure out if I really want to keep it like this, because it's a little messy with all these wires. But I mean, I'm sure I can figure out a way to kind of hide them somewhere. Shut up, dude. You won't even notice.
What if, I don't know. I was gonna say, what if you got an extension, like, for here? And you put it here and, like, put it under the, you know what I mean?
An extension?
Yeah. Like, for this? You know what I mean?
Oh.
Like one that connects to here, to this thing, and then connects to this. So you could put this in here. I got it. You put that in here.
Bro, I just zoomed in really hard.
And then make it go through the side right here. And then make them go like up, under, there. You know what I mean?
But I have to find some long extensions then.
I mean, they don't have to be that long.
Kinda. So I can reach from here to all the way to here.
Well, yeah, but this one's already this long. So you just need one. You just need one that reaches from here to here.
Where do I buy them? Five Below?
Maybe, I don't know.
That's where I got these, by the way. Five Below.
Oh, don't tell them, bro.
Oh, they gotta know,
no,
bro.
they're gonna go get them.
Alright, don't worry about it.
Don't worry about where I got them.
Don't worry about it. It's $10 though. Cheap.
I don't even know if that's a...
Alright guys, an update. So I found out for the controller, it will work for both. However, like if you want it kind of flashing, that kind of won't work. Just because the remote has to reach both sides. And it won't reach both sides like that. The signal's not that strong. So I mean, it's fine. I'll probably just keep it a single color. What we did right now is actually we went to the store to get a USB extension so we can actually tuck the wire. So right here, you can't even tell, but there's a wire tucked. And that's just for a cleaner look. I had to buy two, obviously, one for each side. And right now we measured it out, and he's just kind of gonna stick it on. Hopefully no wires will show. Yeah, you just gotta take your time. Cool things about these lights is you can cut them up. Let me see. They have little lines that have like scissors on it, so you can cut them over here. I don't know if you can see that or not. But they have like little lines so you can cut the scissors on. You know, get the measurement where you want it. After that, you're just going to stick it to the plastic underneath. Make sure it sticks. Just take your time with it. And you should be good to go, really. So, did you already stick it on there?
Yeah.
Hey. Alright. So look. What color? What should be the very first color?
Color your car, bro.
Alright guys, so look. Oh, we gotta turn them on. Ding. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Change the color. Red. Right now it's not that bright because that light's on. And the door's on, but and then it has the different modes. But like I said, for these it's gonna be a little bit difficult for them to match because the controller won't reach both of them at the same time. So I mean, they both will flash, but they'll be at different colors. So like I said, I'll probably just keep it a solid color, maybe blue, green, I don't know, we'll see. But we got this side done, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick. You don't like me up. Alright, so we finished installing the lights. Really simple. I mean, it's just USB cables and then cutting where you want the trim to be, and then, you know, kind of sticking it on there.
Oh, that's perfect.
That's pretty good. So shout out to Chicken for helping me. Like I said, you don't have to buy the extensions, but I wanted to just so it can look cleaner. So like no wires going around everywhere. So we just finished installing both of them. So let's see how it looks. Can you turn off the light? Let's do it. Alright. Okay. Boom. Like I said, the controller won't reach, so you kind of have to like do it on both sides.
That's not the same color.
It's not the same color. So there's the red. There's the, can you see? Oh, there's the red. There you go. It's lit.
Red. Blue. That's green.
It's green.
Wow, that this look like green.
It's like,
oh, okay, that's like
this
white,
pretty
bro.
nice.
That's nice.
I like this color.
Cheap. $5?
$5, dog. $5. So in total, I spent like $15 on everything, for the wires and for the lights. It's really easy upgrade for your interior to light it up. You know, make it pop out a little more. Well, let me show you about like what I was talking about with the strobing. So this one, it won't reach, so you just kind of have to do it differently. And if you don't really mind, they'll just kind of be switching different colors at a time. You can't like kind of line it up. It'll be pretty hard to do it. You can try, but I mean, it won't work.
Oh, you got it?
No. I'll switch his colors. different colors at a time.
It's like a party, bro.
It's a party in here. It's a disco. But I mean, for the most part, I'll probably just keep it a single color. I'll see which color stands out more, which one I like more. So like I said, it comes with this controller. I mean, I have an extra one because I had bought two. But I mean, pretty simple to use. Power or on, off, different colors, different modes. I don't know what these do. Alright, so that's pretty much the quick little video how to light up your interior for, you know, for around 15 bucks. Really easy, and it makes a big difference on, you know, the way the interior and everything looks. Like I said, it comes with a controller, which is really convenient. I guess the only bad thing is whenever like you're trying to do the like the flashing modes, that kind of won't work because it won't sync at the same time. But I mean, then again, it's 15 bucks, so it has its pros and cons. For me, I don't really mind. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe.